Hi guys! Naa ko karon sa Sugbong Kugon, Misamis Oriental. Diri na isa ka scenic spot mao kini ang Halseyle Hill. This place offers exceptional view of Makahalar Bay and Camiguin Island. Kabalo ba mo guys nga ang Halseyle Hill was a game fowl farm owned by former Mayor Jerome P. Lapas. The name Halseyle comes from a famous bloodline of fighting cocks known as Halseyle Lemon. So, the story behind this place is interesting. And now, we can enjoy it as a tourist spot. Diri guys, makarelax ka while enjoying the view. Naapod sila'y outdoor resto cafe, serving food and drinks. And, ma-enjoy jud kaayo ninyo ang inyong pagkaon-kaon with the Pachada view. Og dili mawala ang pagmarites. Ang ilang food guys, promise kay lami and affordable. If you're coming from Cagayan de Oro City, it's about a 70-kilometer journey padulong sa Sugbong Kugon. Upon reaching the boundary of Binuwangan, makita nimo ang signage nga Halseyle. Di mo magmahay guys, Halseyle is a must-visit destination freedom and beauty of nature. And visiting here is truly worth it.